Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu states that many Quranic verses have been revealed in his favor. His mother took an oath that she would not talk to him and would neither eat and drink, hunger strike, till he renounced his religion Islam. His mother said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has instructed you to treat your parents well. I am your mother, so I command you to do it. She remained in the same state for 3 days, neither ate nor drank anything, and fainted because of starvation. One of his sons, named Umara, got up and made her drink water. She started to curse Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu. Thereupon this verse of the Quran was revealed. Translation: We have insisted on men to be kind towards parents. Surah Ankabut, verse 8. And the Quran says, And if they both strive to make you associate with me a thing of which you have no knowledge, then obey them not and accompany them in the world very well. Surah Luqman, verse 15. Once Allah's Apostle ﷺ got a lot of booty, which included a sword. I took that sword to Allah's Apostle ﷺ and submitted. O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, grant me this sword, for I am the one whose state you are well aware. He ﷺ said, Replace it from where you have taken it. I went to store it in the store, but my conscience pricked me and I returned to him and again submitted. Grant me this sword. He ﷺ said more harshly, Replace it from where you have taken it. Thereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse. Translation: They ask you concerning the spoils. Surah Anfal, verse 1. Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu further said, I fell ill. I sent a message to the Prophet ﷺ. So he ﷺ came to me. I whereupon submitted, Permit me to distribute the property as per my will. He ﷺ rejected it. I submitted, Let me divide the half of the property. He ﷺ again refused. I submitted, Let me distribute 1/3 of the property. He ﷺ observed silence. Later, the distribution of 1/3 of the property was declared permissible. I visited a company of the helpers and the immigrants. They said to me, Come and let us serve you food and wine. It happened before wine was declared forbidden. I along with them entered a garden. There they had a roasted head of a camel and a pitcher of wine. There I consumed food and imbibed wine with them. Then the immigrants and the helpers came under discussion. I said, The immigrants are better than the helpers. A man whereupon took a bone of the head of a camel and struck me with it, so my nose get injured. I entered the presence of Allah's Apostle ﷺ and notified him of it. Owing to me, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed this verse about wine. Translation: Undoubtedly wine and gambling and idols and divining arrows are only unclean things, a work of the devil. Surah Maida, verse 90. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6188.